What's up everybody, hopping in for a quick video today. So in my Broncolor vs Godox and Profoto video, I got something wrong and I wanted to not only correct it, but apologize to you guys. I screwed up the Broncolor flash durations. I forgot to put it back in speed mode. And in that speed mode, it cuts off that flash duration much shorter and you get much faster numbers. So it catapulted the Broncolor from being the lowest flash durations all the way to being the highest, like far and away the highest. I sent out an update to all the blogs that shared it, and I updated my personal blog on the charts data. I said stuff on the community tab. I announced that I got it wrong with the new data, and here it is for you here. So you can see in this first chart that the numbers have all pretty much doubled. It's so much faster, except just a little bit faster at full power. And again, if I plot those flash durations and cross-reference them with the power output that they achieve at that level, then you can see that the Broncolor Cirrus 800 just blows away the Profoto B1X and the Godox 8600 at all across the board. So it went from being the worst contender to just knocking out the competition in this one. So sorry Broncolor, again, I omitted that previous portion to my video and instead linked it to this video. The Broncolor is the fastest, achieves the shortest flash durations out of all three of these lights. And if we're doing errors, omissions, and adjustments, the Profoto B1X, the air remote for it does have a version that is for Fuji, and they have a version for Olympus as well. It was in a drop-down menu. They have Canon, Nikon, Sony on their website, and then view all variants, product variants, and that's where they hide the Fuji and Olympus. It saves you one bar of text. Just show all 5 options. Silly on my part not to see that though. There's one other thing I left out on the Godox, and that is any discussion on the remote head and AC adapter. There's some comments on that. Yes, there is an AC adapter that is announced, and I'm pretty sure it's already available for pre-order through Adorama, who knows globally. But you actually replace the battery with an adapter that you can plug it directly into a wall, and there is going to be a remote head. They did this with the previous 8600. It's a pretty simple solution. It plugs right into where the bulb goes, gives you a 9-foot cable, and then a 1-pound remote head. The remote head has a flash bulb, it has a Bowens mount, it has an LED, it still has a TTL, and you do tend to lose a little bit of power, at least in the previous version. You lost a little bit of power output. We'll see if they improve upon that with this generation. But yeah, that is another little advantage to the 8600 Pro. I just didn't talk about it because I don't have it in my hands yet. It's not out. Who knows how long these things are going to take, so I didn't want to hype it up and nobody can actually get it yet. Again guys, I really hate to get this technical information wrong, especially with so many people come across this video when it's featured on blogs and stuff. These things happen, but I want to guarantee you guys, when it does, I will do everything I can to reel it back in, fix the situation, edit a video, take down a video if it's necessary, that it's continuing to show some incorrect information. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching guys.